Number 16, make your way. It means to go or proceed toward a particular place.
Make your way to the front of the room. Make your way to the front of the room. She made her way through the crowd. She made her way through the crowd. They made their way to the exit quietly. They made their way to the exit quietly.
Number 17, make yourself at home. It means to relax and make oneself as comfortable as in one's own home.
Please, make yourself at home in our guest room. Please, make yourself at home in our guest room. She always makes herself at home here. She always makes herself at home here. We made ourselves at home on the cozy couch. We made ourselves at home on the cozy couch.
Number 18, trousers match a jacket. It means to coordinate in color or style between trousers and a jacket.
His trousers match his jacket perfectly. His trousers match his jacket perfectly. Make sure your trousers match your jacket for the interview. Make sure your trousers match your jacket for the interview. She bought trousers to match her new jacket. She bought trousers to match her new jacket.
Number 19, move house. It means to change one's place of residence.
They decided it was time to move house. They decided it was time to move house. Moving house can be very stressful. Moving house can be very stressful. We're planning to move house next month. We're planning to move house next month.
Number 20, move into a flat. It means to start living in a new apartment.
She's excited to move into a new flat. She's excited to move into a new flat. They moved into a flat closer to work. They moved into a flat closer to work. I helped him move into his first flat. I helped him move into his first flat.